Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. In yesterday's video, we saw that global markets like Dow Jones are indicating a sign of reversal structure. Nifty taking a huge support at 16,800, 16,900 at 200 days average. In this video, I'll be discussing the best sector one should look for alongside into the May, and that is the banking space. Well, banking has been underperforming, especially the bank Nifty. If I just compare with the Nifty, it has been underperforming since last 1 year, and the momentum it triggers onto the outperformance, then just fizzles out. Uh, well, I'm not looking at the outperformance or underperformance here, but looking at the structure of bank Nifty, private bank index, PSU Bank Index, they are indicating a strong reversal momentum. Well, Nifty will move in line with the bank Nifty or not in the May series, I'm not sure, but banking space look out to be a very attractive buying opportunity. Let's start with the bank Nifty index first. If I just look at the bank Nifty index, again the gaps are holding on to the strong support zone. The candles, as I said, the gaps. If I look at the start of the this week, we saw the gap down opening towards 35,511, where index took support over the gap and it ended on a positive note. Though the margin was not that big, but comparing with the Nifty, which ended on a negative note, Bank Nifty outperformed and ended on a positive note. The interesting thing what Bank Nifty has closed was the bullish candlestick reversal called the meeting lines. So basically the meeting lines are where the close of previous day and the next day is very much nearer when the big candle are forming. So it was plus 30, 35 points here and there, and it closed on a positive side with the meeting lines. So again it is giving me a strong reversal. Plus my 200 days average is just around those levels where the bullish candlestick reversal is forming, and we saw a follow up happening on Tuesday as well, with 200 days playing a key support area and candlestick forming, though reversal structure is there. I think the momentum is very stronger for banks to head higher into the May series. Plus, if I look at the seasonality analysis for the May series for the Bank Nifty, the momentum here indicates that the Bank Nifty seasonally indicates May has been a very strong month with 3.24% precisely average gain for last 15 years. So again, it indicates that the bulls are still in the control of the trend for the May on the banks. Look at the private and PSU. Let's start with the private. Now, if I look at the bank Nifty, generally private holds around 86% weightage, where against the PSU, which holds around 14% in the bank Nifty. So here the private index, like the bank Nifty, where the meeting line candlestick was formed, onto the private bank as well, we are witnessing the bullish candlestick called meeting lines onto the private index. Now, with that candlestick reversal, we are also witnessing this candlestick has formed at right at 50% Fibonacci level of the previous rally, right from 16,300, 317 I guess was the precise low, towards 19,600 levels. And again, if I take the 50% retracements, candlestick forming at Fibonacci levels marks a key support area. Plus the lower, if you look at the structure over here, the lows are forming higher and higher, indicates that still the bullish trend is intact into the private bank index. Second, if you look at the lower panel, the stochastics over here, again it is being trending into the oversold territory. So daily stochastics when moves below the 30 or 25 levels, there is a chance that the index turns out to be into the bullish zone again. So though the slope has not turned onto the bullish side, the crossover is yet to come. But if I look at the oversold territory, the likely turn out to be the positive crossover could happen in one day or two, but the structure remains very bullish as of now. On to the PSU Bank Index. Now, if you look at the chart of the PSU Bank Index over here, again a bullish reversal candlestick called the morning star candle, which is a 3 candlestick pattern, is forming on right at the 100-day exponential moving average. So again, with the moving average, with the candlestick reversal forming onto the PSU Bank Index as well, they are ready to go higher. Now, if I just look at the PSU Bank Index stocks, SBI, one of the largest constituents, strongly holding the 500 level for whole March series or whole April series. 480, 500 was a strong support area. It is gaining again momentum above the 500 levels. Bob, Bank of Baroda again gaining a strong attraction above 105, 110 enters the zone. The bulls are coming back very, very strongly. So accumulation is happening around 110, 108, 112 levels onto the Bob as well. PNB again 35, 34 levels indicating a strong support area, and the accumulation happening around between 32 to 35 zone again. So here the PSUs are forming a good bullish structure, right? Again, the stochastics over here is into the oversold territory, haven't turned bullish, but I think once the momentum starts with the couple of days of positive gain, the stochastics may turn bullish crossover, and we might see banking space coming up with a stronger bullish zone into the May series. So the best sector for the month, I think for the May, one should look at the banking space. The private as well as PSUs look very, very attractive for a month trading per se, and definitely stock specific action could be there, but this banking space, especially if you look at the private indices, it also giving a good structure, bullish structure. We saw ICICI coming back very, very strongly. We saw HDFC after a 1320, 1330 lows coming back towards 1380. One again probably 1400 post, we might say short cover rally which could take Bank Nifty higher. So banking space, one should definitely look for a long bias into the May series, and for a month, those who are looking for a one month trade, banking space is right for you. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.